what's up everybody, this is Marco Bongo from Bongo Media. Today is June 24th and it is a lovely day. And what we do on lovely days is we throw boat cruise parties. If you take a look at that boat right there, it's filling up and they're calling everybody to come down now. We got Mystery Entertainment, Dynamite, we got yours truly dropping some beats, we got Manzone and Strong, Joe Manzone, it's his birthday, it's my birthday, we got Undercover, Jedi, we got everything today. So, I want you guys to roll that video, check it out, because it's gonna be a hot party. It's one of the hottest parties of the summertime. That's Bongo Media, Mystery Entertainment, Dynamite, and the whole TO family doing it every year. Check it out.
We got to give up.